You look good in your harness. Yeah, you do. How about you stand up? Try to stand up. Come on. Come on. Stand up. Stand up. There you go. Stand up. What? Is it hard for you to walk, huh? Hmm? What's up? What's up, huh? Oh, it's got. Oh, boink. It's hard to wear a harness, isn't it? Yes, it is. But you're doing good. Good morning, Tony. How you doing? Oh, there's Phoebe. Hey, Tony. Tony, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hey, you want to go for a walk? Huh? You want to go for a walk? Okay. Come on, let's go. Get up there. Let's go. Here you go, Dottie. Get this one. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that. You're being so good. Phoebe? Oh, Phoebe. You gonna go too, Phoebe? Huh? You gonna go, Phoebe? You gonna go, Phoebe? Huh? You go too, Phoebe? Alright, there we go. You're so good. Now we're gonna hook you up here. Okay, here we go. Alright, we're gonna go outside. You wanna follow us? Good? Okay. Come on, you wanna come, Phoebe? Okay, here we go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be looking for lizards. Here we go. All right, Tony. You want to take it? I'll get a picture of you walking, Tony. Oh, oh! Oh,
no, I don't want to be in the
okay. See, you got any lizards, guys? Huh? See any lizards? Oh! Did you get one? Did you get a lizard? Did you get one? Did you get one? Well, it's hard to say right now whether we got a lizard. This is going to be continued. Come here, Phoebe. No, Phoebe.
Come here, Phoebe.
Phoebe. Phoebe, come here. Whoa, what happened? What was that?
I jumped. I jumped.
Where did your lizard go?